Tonight, we celebrate a man driven by brilliance and purpose, a man whose curiosity has taken him across the worlds of science, health, and humanity. His generosity and impact reach far beyond wealth or fame. We have come together to express our heartfelt gratitude to Bill Gates and the foundation that has transformed millions of lives over the past 25 years. Bill, long before philanthropy defined your public life, you had already reshaped the world. As the founder of Microsoft, you laid the foundation for the digital backbone of the modern age. You showed us the progress is not inherited, it is invented. This lesson continues to shape the future we are building today. 25 years ago, you and Melinda made a bold choice. You stepped away from the company to devote your lives to lifting others, shaping a more just and healthy world. You brought that vision to a continent full of promise, yet too often overlooked. You didn't come with headlines. You came with humility, respect, and a conviction that every life, whether in Seattle or Sidama, holds equal value. Over the past 2.5 decades, this partnership has been a quiet force behind transformative change. It has strengthened primary health care, empowered smallholder farmers, advanced digital identification, fostered scientific innovation, and helped unlock the power of data to drive smart decisions. Through the Gates Foundation, you have touched lives across all regions of Ethiopia. The presence of all regional presidents here tonight stands as a powerful testament to that. My dear friend, beyond these achievements, what truly matters is the spirit behind it. The Gates Foundation has listened, it has learned, and it has respected the leadership and aspirations of our people. It is a partnership rooted in mutual respect and trust, built between institutions, between communities, and between individuals working side by side for a better tomorrow. We are especially grateful for your belief in local capacity, your unwavering support for Ethiopian-led solutions, our institutions, and the talent of our people. Through political and economic shifts, global health crisis, and natural challenges, the Foundation has remained steadfast, responding with flexibility, empathy, and determination. In doing so, it has helped strengthen our nation's ability to respond to the needs of our people. As we look to the future, to an Ethiopia that is healthier, more equitable, and more inclusive, we do so with knowledge that we are not alone. We are working forward with partners like you who share our goals and believe in our potential. The next chapter of our partnership must be even more ambitious, even more inclusive, and even more driven by local knowledge and leadership. On behalf of the people and the government of Ethiopia, I extend Our heartfelt thanks to the Gates Foundation, the leadership and the staff of the foundation, and everyone who has contributed to this journey over the past 25 years. Your decision to dedicate most of your wealth, your voice, your energy to global good is not only admirable, it is historic. It challenges all of us to think bigger, act with deeper purpose, and lead with generosity. For that, and for the countless lives your work continues to touch, we are truly grateful. May this remind us all that the true measures of a life is not in what we keep, it is in what we give. I thank you.